to all my friends out there. And that's my barbecue chicken. I melted a little margarine in a pan. I dusted the chicken with flour, and I baked 350, turned halfway, and when it was almost done, I put barbecue sauce on. Okay, here is my my fried rice, vegetable fried rice, and I buy these chives at Dollar Tree. If you don't put onions or chives in fried rice, it's kind of blah. And I season my fried rice with salt, black pepper, and a little sugar. That's it. That's the old-fashioned way. So what I have in there is I have broccoli, I have 4 scrambled eggs, I have a little dry onion, and I have some rice. Because, you know, if you are going to eat rice, you might as well eat better rice. I have many, many videos on better rice. And here is my egg fried rice recipe. I used just that chopped frozen broccoli. I like it. And then let's put a little soy sauce because then it tastes much. That's why you have to go easy on the salt. Okay, so that is going to be some better rice to go with my chicken. And the reason I like this is because if there's some left over tomorrow, we can eat a little bowl of fried rice. And the better rice is really going to up your nutrition. Okay, now you know it's fruit salads, fruit salads, fruit salads. So I have a little frozen mixed tropical fruit, a little coconut I bought at Dollar Tree, raisins, and nuts. And then I concocted a salad dressing, 1/2 cup water, the juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a little cinnamon. This is the one I did last night, and that was good. Okay, so then, you know, I just want to mix my, you know, this is why if you can stockpile some frozen fruit, you can use any fruit. I'm going to be making, now it's fruits, you guys. It's fruit salads and fruit salads and fruit salads. So, okay, now that is a pretty good little salad. Now let me taste it. I'll tell you if it's no good, I don't like it, I'll tell you. My fruit's still a little bit frozen. All right, let me try it. Okay, now I'm getting close now. 1/2 cup water, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon honey, and a little cinnamon, and you cook it down. I left the half a lemon in, you know, to get my my dressing more lemony. And can you get one more shot of my, that's my fried rice and my barbecue chicken. And thank you guys for the comments, and God bless you all.